Recently, there has been an important update regarding Newman, and maybe so far, if you have used Newman in the past, you probably have Newman version 3 installed, but recently the Postman team has released a new version, and that is Newman version 4. And because there is a major version, there are of course some things that have changed, that are no longer backwards compatible. But I think the update or upgrade itself is worth, because you'll stay to the latest version of Newman and you'll benefit from all the bug fixes and newer releases. So I would highly recommend that you invest just a bit of time to upgrade Newman on your machine or on your integration server or wherever you're using Newman. And in this video, I'll show you how you can do that. Now, assuming that you want to update Newman, the first step is to check the current version, and that is by doing Newman -- version, and you will get the output of the current version. The next step is to check with npm if you have any other outdated dependencies on a global level, and this can be done by using npm outdated -g-g, and you will see here for Newman that the version that you have is 3.10.0 and the latest one is 4.1.0. So what I will do next is to run npm install -g Newman, and this will install the latest Newman version globally. So -g-g as a flag will install Newman globally. It will only take a second, and now I will have the newest version, and I can easily check by running Newman -- version, and you will see now that the current version is 4.1.0. Now, for whatever reason, if you want to go to a specific version, you can add the @ sign and then jump to a previous version or revert to the version that you previously had. So in this case, I want to have the 4.0.0 version of Newman, so this is why I specified this version, and now you will see that I will globally have Newman installed, but with this version. Now if I want again to revert to the latest possible version, all I have to do is npm install -g Newman, and I'll have the version that I really wanted. So if you're interested for migrating from Newman version 3 to Newman version 4, there is also this migration guide, which I will link in the description of this video, and you can go over it and easily check what has changed there and how you can use it. There are of course a couple of things that have changed, such as the HTML reporter. This comes now as a separate dependencies, and you will have to manually install it. So the command for that will be npm install -g Newman -reporter -html. So this is something that is no longer included in Newman. But apart from that, the changes that have happened in Newman regarding the way you use Newman are not that major, and as I previously said, you will see in this migration guide, it's pretty easy, everything is documented, and my advice would be to simply try it out, and if something doesn't work anymore, you can easily check, okay, what have been using in version 3 and what has now changed in version 4. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask me any questions that you have, any problems that you have regarding Newman. In the projects where I've been using Newman, I haven't seen any problems so far, but just in case, simply get in touch with me and I'm sure that we'll get it sorted out.